thick, creamy, homemade yogurt. Boil your whole milk to 100 degrees and then allow it to cool to 45 degrees. Using whole milk will give you a higher yield. Skim off any foam and skin that has formed on the top of the milk. Add in some live yogurt, your yogurt culture, or I'm using some whey from a previous batch of strained live yogurt. Put a lid on, wrap up your yogurt in some towels to keep warm, making sure that you cover top and bottom so as little heat escapes as possible. If you struggle with somewhere warm to keep the yogurt, you can have a pan with hot water in, about 50 degrees, with another pan inside it with some more hot water, about 50 degrees, and then put your yogurt in the pan, in that pan, wrap in towels, and that will keep it nice and warm. Unwrap after 11 hours to see that a yogurt has formed. Using a clean cloth, strain the yogurt to thicken it up. For every litre of yogurt, you want to strain out about 400 millilitres worth of whey. Beat until smooth. If the yogurt is a little too thick, add a little bit more whey to water it down. Store in a clean container and will keep in the fridge for up to 10 days. Put some of the whey in a container and freeze it and use it for your next batch of yogurt.